Best gold trading forex brokers in the UK. If you're trading gold in the UK, whether XAU or USD, gold CFDs, or automated strategies, the broker you choose can make a huge difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best gold trading forex brokers in the UK, based on spreads, regulation, execution speed, platforms, and overall performance. Let's get started. Why broker choice matters. Gold is one of the most traded instruments in the UK, especially during inflation, geopolitical uncertainty, and big market moves. But gold moves fast, so you need a broker with tight spreads, deep liquidity, fast execution, and a reliable platform. Your broker can truly make or break your gold trades. Considering all these factors, these are the best performing gold trading forex brokers in the UK. FP Markets, 8cap, Octa, TickMill, and IC Markets. Want to know more about forex brokers and free forex education? Check the link below in the description. First is FP Markets, our pick for the best overall gold trading broker. They offer raw spreads from 0.0 pips, very fast execution, and support MT4, MT5, and C Trader. Perfect for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Next is 8cap. Ideal for traders who want gold plus many other markets. You get tight XAU USD spreads, deep liquidity, and access to TradingView, MT4, and MT5. If you trade gold alongside Bitcoin, oil, indices, or USD pairs, 8cap is a strong all-in-one option. In third place is Octa. Great for beginners who want zero commissions and simple pricing. Octa offers low spreads, an easy mobile app, and a clean trading experience. Simple for new traders, still useful for more advanced users. Fourth is TickMill. Excellent for professional scalpers and fast-paced traders. The raw account provides spreads from 0.0 pips, very fast execution, and support for hedging and EAs. Great for traders who need speed and tight pricing. Last, we have IC Markets, one of the best for algorithmic and high-volume gold trading. They offer ultra-low spreads, deep liquidity, VPS hosting, and API access. Ideal for traders running automated or high-frequency strategies. If we had to describe these brokers in a single word, it would be FP Markets, best overall gold broker, 8cap, best for gold, plus CFDs, Octa, best zero commission option, TickMill, best for scalpers, IC Markets, best for algorithms and high volume. Each broker offers strong XAU to USD trading conditions, but the right choice depends on your trading style, scalping, swing trading, or algo-based strategies. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit our website. Comment below, which broker are you using to trade gold in this year? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Forex and gold trading content. Thanks for watching and happy trading.